Alright guys, I'm running my punt for the Spawn newsstand copies. Get a timestamp. $7.12. $7.11 just here at $7.12 here in WA early in the morning. We got 66 spots dark at the bottom, and at 1 dark at the top. Put that list in, dark at 66, dark at 1 at the top. Let's roll 3 dice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 3, and 4 is 12. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Second last one. Unlucky last, good luck everyone. Hit me up when you've seen this winner. Alright, 12 times. 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the winner is Dak. Congrats, mate. Spot number 54 has won you those books. I'll double check that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And the winner was Dak. Spot number 1. Get a timestamp. 7:14. 7:14. Thanks, everybody.